Hello everyone, welcome to my channel and thank you for viewing my channel. The name of the channel is GH Uni Application Tips, and the purpose for this channel is to mainly help prospective applicants to gain successful admission to any of their favorite universities in Ghana. You talk of University of Ghana, you talk of Kwame Nkrumah University of Science and Technology, and many others. If you are a prospective applicant, I encourage you to be watching my videos for you to gain insights on admissions, such as the entry requirements these universities offer, guidelines on application process, available programs which is being offered at these various universities, and their cutoff points for their programs. So earlier this week, the University of Ghana officially advertised the matured entrance examination for the 2020-2021 academic year, and I want to do some small breakdown of their application process. So I'm going to provide you with some step-by-step guidelines for an easier understanding so that you can apply successfully and gain admission to the University of Ghana, and also one day you can obtain a degree and be proud of yourself. So this step-by-step guidelines, I'm going to break it down into the entry requirement. What qualifies you for the matured entrance exam? What qualifications the University of Ghana requires of you? The registration process, that the processes involved in registration, what documents you are to provide when you are registering for the matured entrance exams. We're also going to look at the access course, the subjects in which you'll be taught to write these exams. We're also going to look at the venues for the examination and the access course. We're also going to look at available programs the university will offer you after successfully passing your entrance examination. We're also going to look at the deadline for the program, deadline for the access courses, and the deadline for the registration after you've passed your entrance exam. We're also going to look at impersonation. This is very, very important. And contact information in case you need further assistance, who you are supposed to contact. So we are going straight forward to the entry requirements, and it's as follows. Applicant must be a Ghanaian citizen. You have to prove you are a Ghanaian or you were born in Ghana. Applicants must be aged 25 years and above by 31st July 2020 and will be eligible to apply. The age requirements to be able to qualify you for the matured mode is that you are 25, at least 25 years and above. Applicants are expected to take a compulsory preparatory course organized by the School of Continuing and Distance Education of the University of Ghana at any of its 11 regional centers. So the University of Ghana has other regional centers across the regions, so you can easily access these regional centers. Later on, I'm going to show you all the regional centers available, so you don't have to necessarily go to another region, a different region for these preparatory classes or registration whatsoever. Applicants are required to write and pass a competitive entrance exams to be conducted by the University of Ghana. What this means is that after attending the access course, you are required to write an exams, and these exams will be graded and published at the available regional centers. If you pass your entrance exams, then you can always go ahead and apply for your degree program. Successful applicants will be admitted into level 100 of the Bachelor of Arts Distance education program. What this means is if you are successful with your entrance exams, you can go ahead and apply for Bachelor of Arts degree program, and you are going to start from level 100. So the degree program University of Ghana offers is a 4-year degree program where you start from level 100, you move to 200, 300, and then your final year 400. Then you can finally graduate with a bachelor's degree. So let's look at the registration process. What is involved in registering for the matured mode of study? Registration takes place from Monday, January 13, 2020 to Wednesday, March 11, 2020 at all the available 11 regional centers in Ghana. Applicants must provide official documentation such as driver's license, passport, voter's ID card, national ID to prove their age. From research and experience, it's advisable to take at least 2 of your national ID. If you have a birth cert or if you have a passport, you take any of these 2 along during the registration process. Normally what I have learned is University of Ghana, they don't take birth cert which is recent. They take at least a 5-year-old birth cert. So if you know you have a recent birth cert, then it will not be accepted by the University of Ghana. So you better take along at least 2 of your national ID, be it your passport, your voter's ID, or a birth certificate which is at least 5 years old. Registration fee is 450 cedis, which entails the access course and the entrance examination. So when you pay your 450 cedis, you are eligible to attend the access classes and write your entrance examination. Only applicants who pass the entrance examination will be eligible to purchase the e-voucher separately from the banks to have access to the online application form. What this means is after attending the access class, you write your entrance examination. If you pass, you'll be given the green light to go ahead and buy the University of Ghana e-vouchers from the various banks, be it EcoBank, Consolidated Bank of Ghana, Ghana Commercial Bank. You purchase your e-voucher, you visit the university admissions portal, and you apply for the available programs which is being offered at the matured mode of study. So this is what you do when you pass your entrance examination. So we are going straight to the access course. And with the access course, classes begin from February 22nd, 2020 to April 19th, 2020. The subjects taught for the entrance examination is English, mathematics, and logical reasoning. In order to pass your examination, you have to write English, mathematics, and logical reasoning to gain admission into the University of Ghana. All interested applicants should register at any of the regional learning centers of the School of Continuing and Distance Education, University of Ghana, by making payments to their respective bank accounts. For personal reasons, I did not want to provide the bank accounts in this video, but if you want to find out more about the bank where you are supposed to pay your registration fees, you can visit the link down below where you will get the account number of the various banks where you are supposed to pay your access course fees. Regional learning centers and available contacts. So the access course is going to be held at all the 11 regional centers of the University of Ghana. We have the Accra Learning Center, which is also known as the Accra City Campus, and is located at Adabraka, opposite Tigo Head Office. Or if you know of Accra Polytechnic, you can find City Campus close by. They also have the Tema Learning Center. Tema Learning Center, if you know of Guinness Depot, Tema Learning Center is close by. There is also the Takrady Learning Center, Kumasi Learning Center, Sunyani Learning Center, the Wa Learning Center, the Chitoko Learning Center in the Volta region. Eastern region, you have the Koforidua Learning Center. Northern region, you have the Tamale Learning Center, the Bolgatanga Learning Center, you have the Cape Coast Learning Center, and their available contact information. So in case you need further directives, you can contact these numbers provided here so they can assist you with regards to registration or any other information you might need. Available programs offered at the matured mode of study. Applicants will be admitted into level 100 of the distance education program in the following Bachelor of Arts subject combination. There is Political Science, Sociology, Information Studies, Psychology, Sociology, Information Studies, Adult Education, Human Resource Studies, Psychology, Information Studies, Accounting, Psychology, Adult Education, Human Resource Studies, Public Administration, Sociology, Information Studies, Human Resource Management, Psychology, Information Studies. And you should take note of this combination. Accounting combination will only be available to applicants who do extremely well in maths. What it means is that when you take the access course and you do extremely well in your mathematics and you want to pursue accounting, you can go ahead and take the accounting, psychology, adult education, human resource study. And what it also means that if you do not do very well in maths, you cannot take the accounting option. As I indicated earlier, your results will be published in all the regional learning centers per the access course, be it the maths, English, logical reasoning. Your scores will be available, so you get to know how you performed with your maths, your English, and your logical reasoning, which is going to guide you to select these available programs which is offered at the Bachelor of Arts degree level distance education. Okay, so there are some things you have to note down when you are registering for the matured mode of entry. You need to note down the deadline for registration at all the regional centers, which is on the 11th of March 2020. The access course preparatory classes will begin from February 22nd, 2020 to April 19, 2020 to prepare applicants to write the competitive entrance examination. Date and venue for the entrance examination will be communicated to prospective applicants. What this means is, when you are enrolled into the access course, as time goes on, when you are about to write your exams, the university will communicate to you the venue which you'll be writing your exams, and when the exams results will be released for you to go ahead and apply for the bachelor's degree program if you are successful. List of successful applicants will be published at all the regional learning centers and may also receive a text message. So if you are successful, it's likely you might receive a text message, or the list of all those who passed the entrance exams will be published on a notice board, so you can also have a view of that. Successful applicants should purchase the e-voucher from the bank and apply for the Bachelor of Arts program distance option only. The matured mode of study is available through distance option, meaning you'll be attending your lectures on weekends, that is Saturdays and Sundays. You cannot apply for regular program. Regular program is when you'll be attending lectures Monday to Friday. Impersonation. Prospective applicants should be cautious of individuals pretending to be agents of the university who wants to aid them in getting admissions. So you have to be very cautious of people who are in the pretense that they want to help you to gain admission. There's one thing I'm certainly sure of, that University of Ghana admission process is highly transparent. So you have to put in your effort to partake in all the rules and regulations pertaining admission to the University of Ghana. You take part in the access class, you take part in the entrance examination, admission so you can successfully gain admission at the University of Ghana. Prospective applicants should also be aware of banners on the streets purporting to be Legon mature, as these banners are not sanctioned by the University of Ghana. Only candidates who participate in the official University of Ghana matured access course will be eligible to take the entrance exams. As I've been indicating earlier on, if you don't participate in the access course, if you miss lots of classes, because they'll be taking attendance, so in case you are missing the classes, this means you will not be eligible to write and pass your entrance exams. So I thereby urge all applicants to partake in this access course. If you register, you have to partake in the access course, because whatever you are taught in the access course, that is what will be brought in the examination. So please do well to partake in these classes so you can gain admissions successfully. And in case you also want to confirm anything regarding what I'm saying, you can also visit the official website of the University of Ghana, that is admissions.edu.gh/applying undergraduate mature entry. Further information. So you may contact any of the following numbers or email addresses if you want more clarity or you want to be assisted with something with regards to your registration or your entrance examination. You can contact the college academic office. Their number is 036-219-4377, 05038998030, 027-0316-105. And this, the mode of communication is by WhatsApp only, meaning you cannot make a voice call but just WhatsApp. So you should take note of this. You can also contact the college academic office by their email address, that is coeacademic@ug.edu.gh. You can also contact the Department of Distance Education, and their contact number is 030-393-8855, 030-2956-122, and their email address is dd@uj.edu.gh. I want to thank all my viewers for watching this video, and I also urge you to subscribe so when I release my future videos with regards to university application process, you will be the first person to get access to my videos. If you liked what you saw, you can like my video as well and comment and ask me any question. I'll be glad to hear from you. I'm open up for any questions at all with regards to university applications. I'm not only going to do University of Ghana, I'm going to do other tertiary institutions. I also urge you to share this video to any friends or relatives who you think meets this criteria and wants to pursue a higher degree of study. And I would also like you to click the notification bell. If you have not, you make sure you click the notification bell so that you get first hand of my videos. Thank you very much for watching and hope to see you another time. Bye.